Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at Literature Resource Center, or LRC. First, let's talk about how to get there. I am on Cumberland County College Library's homepage. If we scroll down under Research and choose Databases, we can navigate to LRC one of two ways. We can choose it from the alphabetical list, and we will see that here, Literature Resource Center, or we can navigate to it using the subject list, and this would be under Language Arts and Literature. And here is Literature Resource Center again. Let's proceed. The link brings us immediately to the Advanced Search option. There are also Person Search and Work Search options, and we'll take a look at those, as well as the Encyclopedia of Literature. So beginning with the advanced search, let's say we want to search for themes of vengeance in the book Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. All right, let's get some information into our search boxes. The name of the work we're interested in is Wuthering Heights, and we can even select it from this list here. And our person by or about is Emily Bronte, so we are going to type Bronte, comma, and we can even select this as well, Emily. And instead of using keyword, we are going to choose to search the text of each entire document. And we're going to type here, vengeance. And this is where you might want to consider synonyms for your search term. For example, instead of vengeance, we could use revenge. And if you scroll down here, you will see some options for filters. You can filter by date, you can select a particular content type, but right now we're just going to search. And here we see the results of our search. Over to the right here, you will see that we have some filter options for subjects, for person, and for name of the work, as well as document type and publication title. And you also have the option to search within the results. Let's take a look at the person search next. Of course, if you know the name of the person you're looking for, you can just enter it here. But let's say we don't have a particular person in mind, and maybe we just want to find somebody who was part of a particular literary movement or was active during a particular time. We have a lot of search options here. For our purposes today, let's say we would like to find female playwrights who were part of the Harlem Renaissance. So here we will select female for gender. Literary movement would be Harlem Renaissance. And for genre, we are going to enter plays. And then we'll search. And here we have our results. Let's select Zora Neale Hurston. All right, and here are all of our critical essays. And once again, we've got filters here at the right. Let's see if we can access just essays about the play Mulebone. And yes, we can. And here we have our results. All right, now let's scroll back up to the top and take a look at our work search. And once again, of course, if you know the name of the work you're looking for, you can enter it here. But what if we have a more abstract idea? Let's say we were interested in graphic novels by American authors that were published in the 20th century. For type of work, we are going to select graphic novel. For century, 20th. And for author nationality, we'll select American and search. All right, and here we have our results. The last thing we're going to take a look at in this tutorial is the Encyclopedia of Literature. Now this is very useful for defining particular literary movements or literary devices. For example, let's look up postmodernism. All right, and here we see a very clear definition of what it is and what it means in terms of literature. We can also search for simile as a literary device. And this will define that for us as well. There is also a built-in collegiate dictionary, which is just your standard issue dictionary that you would use to define anything, whether or not it has to deal with literature. Thank you for joining us on this tutorial. Please come see us at the library.